My babes, what's going down? You know what are the great things about having a 6-foot wall around your house? So you can get damn butt naked. You can walk outside, where it's beautiful weather, I might add. Walk over to your lady while she's preparing you some sort of food and give her the back shaver so she can shave me butt naked.
He's naked.
Yeah, what's wrong with being naked? Hell, you know, we're born naked. We're supposed to be naked. Now she's going to get to shaving,
He's gonna scare the neighbors.
and I get to stand out here in my birthday suit, enjoying the nice weather. Neighbors can't see in. No. And
I
then,
don't want to share.
and
Right?
then see,
I'm not lying.
then I get to have a badass lady like this shave my back for me and do it without any attitude.
I'm gonna put my initials in.
Trust when I tell you, I've been down that road of having, you know, a lady who did not want to carry her job out of shaving the back. Well, what do you think you're gonna do when you fucking hook up with a goddamn silverback? Well, you're gonna have some shit to shave. You want the big, nasty, hairy? Well, big and nasty and hairy kind of go together. So you want the big and nasty? Well, you got to take the hairy. Well, if you don't like the hairy, you got to fucking shave the hairy. That's what it's all about, my peeps. Rock and roll.